Hey, Fluentors! Welcome to Day 7, the grand finale of our 7-day journey to speaking like a native. Have you been consistent for the past 6 days? If yes, amazing. You're already speaking smoother, more confidently, and with rhythm than most learners do in months. Today, we bring everything together. Full conversations, storytelling, shadowing with connectors, phrasal verbs, and automatic grammar patterns. Intonation practice, the music of English. By the end of today, you'll be able to speak naturally, expressively, and like a native. Before we start, remember, fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's about speaking continuously, using connectors naturally, thinking in English, and using intonation to express meaning. Follow the shadowing instructions. 1. Listen first. Focus on intonation. 2. Shadow immediately. Copy the rise and fall of each sentence. 3. First, shadow fast, native rhythm, then slow, clear. 4. Don't stop mid-sentence. Even if you forget a word, explain it simply. 5. Record yourself and repeat. Your brain will learn native patterns and melody naturally. Imagine the scenario of meeting a friend after work and planning weekend activities. Let's start.
Hey, how was your day?
It was good. I finished my work and went for a short walk.
Nice. Did you try the new cafe?
Not yet. I want to check it out this weekend.
That sounds fun. I'm planning to go too, and maybe we can go together.
Great! For example, we can grab a coffee and then take a walk by the lake.
Perfect. I think it'll be relaxing and a good change. Also, I believe we can invite Sarah and John. That's why it'll be more fun as a group.
Absolutely. Plus, we can try out the new bakery nearby. I heard they have amazing pastries.
Yes. The thing is, weekends go so fast, so we should plan carefully. What happened last time, we forgot to book a table.
True. So this time, I'll call ahead and make a reservation. Shadow this dialogue multiple times. Imagine you're really there, speaking naturally, thinking in English. Feel the rhythm and intonation of native speakers. Section 3. Storytelling with intonation. Now we will shadow 10 sentences to level up our intonation. Shadow immediately. Copy the rise and fall of each sentence. 1. What happened was, I missed the bus, but I walked and enjoyed the morning. Now repeat with me. What happened was, I missed the bus, but I walked and enjoyed the morning. 2. I'm trying to remember the first time I traveled alone. Now repeat with me. I'm trying to remember the first time I traveled alone. 3. I think it taught me independence and confidence. Now repeat with me. I think it taught me independence and confidence. 4. For example, I had to ask strangers for directions, which was exciting. Now repeat with me. For example, I had to ask strangers for directions, which was exciting. 5. Therefore, I became more confident speaking with people in English. Now repeat with me. Therefore, I became more confident speaking with people in English. 6. Also, I learned to handle unexpected situations calmly. Now repeat with me. Also, I learned to handle unexpected situations calmly. 7. Another thing, I discovered new cafes and local spots. Now repeat with me. Another thing, I discovered new cafes and local spots. 8. I'm planning to share my experiences in my next vlog. Now repeat with me. I'm planning to share my experiences in my next vlog. 9. In my opinion, traveling is the best way to improve English naturally. Now repeat with me. In my opinion, traveling is the best way to improve English naturally. 10. That's why I try to speak English every day in real-life situations. Now repeat with me. That's why I try to speak English every day in real-life situations. Now it's your final fluency challenge. First, listen to me. I'll give you an example. Then, your turn. Example, topic, my hobby. My hobby is reading because it helps me relax after a long day. Usually, I read in the evening, and I like to start with light stories. If I have more time, I go for nonfiction because I enjoy learning new ideas. Another thing is reading improves my vocabulary, so I feel more confident when I speak English. That's why I try to read a little every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. Notice, I didn't translate. I explained my ideas in English. Now it's your turn. Now follow me. Pick one topic: a memorable day, your weekend plan, a hobby, something you learned recently. Speak for 1 to 2 minutes without stopping. Use connectors, phrasal verbs, automatic grammar patterns, natural intonation, and explain ideas. Don't translate. If you forget a word, keep going. If your sentence isn't perfect, keep going. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection. You're not practicing English anymore. You're speaking it. Congratulations! You've completed all 7 days of Fluentors. Your final challenge: combine everything from day 1 to day 7. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes on any topic. Use connectors, phrasal verbs, automatic grammar patterns, and intonation. Think directly in English. Shadow yourself if needed. Do this every day, and in a few weeks, you'll notice pauses disappear, speech flows naturally. You think in English automatically. You sound more confident and native-like. Remember, fluency is built by practice, consistency, and shadowing, not perfection. You've done something amazing. Keep practicing, keep shadowing, and speak like a native every day. This is Dina from Fluentors. See you on your English journey.